Hey, what's up guys, it's Josh from HashtagsForLikes, and in today's video, we're gonna talk all about how to make money with your Instagram account right away, all right? Not tomorrow, not next week, right now. All right, there's no secret that you can make some big money by earning sponsorships and endorsements. Now, while you typically need loads of followers, it's actually your engagement ratio that makes most companies care about if they're going to pay you for sponsored posts. Things like how much reach you actually get is very important because smart companies are hip to people having fake followers, which means zero engagement and zero purchases. Now, just remember, the reason why a brand or business is going to pay you to promote their product is so that you can help them get more sales. That's all there is to it. And if you have a track record of charging for endorsements and sponsorships without affecting their bottom line or providing an ROI, then you're gonna find it very hard to do more business with other brands because word gets around. Now, on the other hand, there's a lot of brands and a lot of businesses out there that are in need of alternative marketing methods, things like influencer marketing, and they're willing to pay you for your services. Now, my advice is to take endorsements and or sponsorships that you're actually passionate about and that resonate with your target audience or your followers, so that you give the brand that hires you the best chance to make an ROI. But not only that, as well as giving your audience a product or a service that they truly want and need. It's a win-win-win. Now, obviously, sponsorships and endorsements can no doubt be very lucrative, but done right, and you can build yourself and your business from scratch that you own 100%, right? That nobody can take away from you. Now, most people I've talked to who get a bunch of traffic from Instagram that have thousands of followers, thousands and hundreds of thousands of followers, typically go for the sponsorship route, but they don't understand that they're missing out on making a lot of money and building assets from their own traffic while building a customer database, otherwise known as an email list. That's the biggest asset. So if you're not familiar with internet marketing world, then you just have to remember this, that an email list of people who are engaged with you and that take action or buy when you send them emails and send them products and services, it's absolutely the most valuable asset that you can have. And I just want you to understand, and I want you to remember that Instagram can and will more than likely die out at some point in the future, all right? And your traffic's gonna be gone with them. And if you've done sponsorships and not built an email list, then you're not gonna have that valuable asset of people's contact information to actually continue selling to them products or services that can put money in your pocket. And obviously there's other ways to make money with Instagram, but I'll be honest with you, these are the top two ways, and really, in my opinion, the only routes that you really should go if you want to earn a sizable income on Instagram. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you want to know more information, go ahead and comment down below. If you've liked this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, we want to hear from you guys. Also, we're going to go ahead and drop a 40% off link for HashtagsForLikes down in the description. We really appreciate you guys, and we have more videos coming your way. Have a great day.